Hello everyone, how are you all doing with the Sustainable Development Goals? Well, I may not be able to talk right now all the goals, but I would like to touch one of the goals considering sustainable cities and communities. With the beginning question to you, how do we see our food security and at the same time nutritional health? Well, let's dig into the solutions, but before that, I should obviously give you some facts. So let's begin with the key aspect over fertilizations and overusing of pesticides. So that eventually affect soil health, water bodies, and it is coming towards our food chain. And that eventually has us direct correlations with our small and large scale productions. Well, we do definitely need rice cultivation and other cash crops and vegetables for supporting our food security. At the same time, we have to consider how this cultivation has key impact on greenhouse gas emissions. Yes, that you are right. Only considering agriculture as a sector that has signature in greenhouse gas emission considering 39%. And to add into those problems, not to overlook at, we have to see how these over fertilizations, over chemical pesticides affecting our soil health, soil degradation, and eventually our food chain. And not to ignore how we humans tend to make a landfill just a free dumping site for our bio waste, municipal waste, or eventually green waste. So what we are trying to do is considering an open field which became a landfill. We are trying to consider that space and driving it into an organic farming. Well, in addition, you will see how we are giving these examples of gardening for vegetables and how does it help to our food security and eventually local nutritional health for the communities. Yeah, so you can go on, farming like this. These are very simple gardens which do not need very much fertilizations. It doesn't require you to give any pesticides. You can simply use cow dung or something like these, which are already within your communities and grow beautifully. Eventually supports your nutritional health. It also supports environmental clearances, and at the same time it helps reducing impacts on the soil and coming towards the water bodies, and obviously not to ignore how it helps into our food system. And well, you can do fish farming if you have a small pond, or even if it is a seasonal pond that water is supported. Hello again to the solution that I always had talked about, how we are trying to make our slogan that join CAMP-NetZero in your locality and be a nature hero. Thank you. Here I would like to show you that how we can actually drive ourselves into organic farming and gardening that helps in our community, our families, supporting food, nutritional health, meeting nutritional health with diverse vegetables, and at the same time it is saving the environment and becoming a small source of income for the small scale producers. Thank you.